Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Delphina and I'm super excited returning back to you. Today I'm here with another video of African Americans and other diaspora who landed in Ghana. Guys, I hope you are ready for this one. I don't know why I always say I hope you are ready for this one. Because even I myself, watching this video made me smile. So I want the same to you. All right, guys. So I want you guys to sit like the king and the queen that you are. Watch this video, okay, from beginning to the end, guys. Let's jump right into it. And definitely I will be back because, of course, I have something to say at the end of it.
Oh my God, I am in Africa. I feel so connected, so excited. This is the best experience of my life, and I just touched down.
Okay, wave your flag for me.
Bachua.
King and Queen. Aquaba. Aquaba. Yes. That means welcome. Alright, so we'll go. Yeah. Time to say goodbye. Time to say goodbye.